In this video, I'll show you how to create quizzes with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate questions for learning, training, or assessments. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a quiz. For example, I might type, "Create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz about basic computer skills." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a quiz with questions and answer choices, and it can also include the correct answers if I ask for them. If I want to customize the quiz, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the topic, difficulty level, or number of questions. For example, I might type, "Create a beginner-level quiz about digital marketing." Claude can also help format the quiz with clear structure, options, and explanations. Once the quiz is ready, I can copy the questions and use them for tests, training, or online content. And that's it, I've successfully created a quiz using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.